Hi guys, welcome to another mysterious video where I don't show my face at all. Sorry I haven't been posting in a long time, guys. It's because I actually have a life outside of YouTube. So today I am really excited for this video because we are going to be reviewing some Temu slimes. And I have never really played with a proper slime, like only store-bought slimes, which I got for my birthday actually. So yeah, let's get started. So first this is honey slime. Let me get my scissors. Looks really cute. Let's camera it. There we go. Now I can see my body kind of. The slime is just so cute. Oh my gosh. A little bit sticky, but that's fine. Slightly, I don't really have activator, so it's a little bit sticky, but makes good pokes. So it's a bit hard to get out of the container. Help. Please. Okay, I'm trying my best right now. Overall, it's looking a really good slime. So I see that there's this cute little bee charm. Look how cute it is. Okay, it's so adorable. A really pretty slime. Also, if you're wondering why my camera's a bit like this, it's because I decided to try a new setup. My face. Hello. Yeah, I decided to try a new setup. I don't think it's really working. So, yeah. So I turned the lights on so you guys can see me. The slime is a really fun texture. It's a bit rippy, but that's fine because it's a really pretty slime. You can stretch it if you like pull a little bit. So yeah, it's really nice. So yeah. They also gave this little honey stick thing, which it's not really good. Yeah, doesn't really work that well, but hey, it's fine. And now for the one that I was most excited. This is a triple pack of slime. It's so cute. It has these little charms and stuff, and I can't. It is just adorable. It came with 3 of these miniature slimes. They equally look cute. These big charms. I think this one's grape. This one's lollipop, and this one's dragon fruit. We got this kind of sticker labels. Oh, I think we're supposed to put the sticker labels on them. Let me just wait, I'm not ready. Hold on. I'm trying my best to do this. Unless I know it's getting a bit boring, so feel free to click off if you want to. Or maybe skip to the end. This is a jelly cube slime. I'm really excited. Here's the label. This one is dragon fruit or pitaya. Is dragon fruit pitaya? I don't really know. I've always been calling it dragon fruit, so I don't really know. Yeah, okay, so here I'm just gonna put the pitaya label on it. Okay. Yep, done that. And now the candy one. These labels are so cute. Also, so these 2 are clear slimes, and this one's a butter slime. Okay, the butter slime is kind of like thick. Maybe, I don't know, like really stiff, kind of. Smells really good though. Nostalgic, actually. Okay, I am going to add the little charm in there. Now the clear slimes. Okay. Whoa, okay. Whoa. Jelly cubes are fun. It's my first time even touching a jelly cube in my life, so it's awesome. This is fun. Okay. This feels kind of foamy. It's a bit sticky, but that's fine. Kind of hard to pop them with nails because you're kind of like squishing them, like you're kind of breaking them and mixing them in. So yeah, this is the candy slime. It's actually really sticky. Help, can't get it off of me. Okay, yeah. And now for the grape one. What I'm mostly excited about. This one's so pretty. This one pops more easily. I think I like the grape one best. Yeah, that's it for today. Bye, guys!